So now something about these maps. So I'm here with the Will Taylor map, and let's say I want to highlight the animals and the plants in my analysis. If I one time click on it, you know, it opens the next level. But if I go back and I right mouse click on it, I can select this. So here I can use select more than one family. It's command click on Mac and control click on Windows. I can do the same here. I can right mouse click, or of course I can do command click or control click on Mac. So now I have two selected. You see it with the dotted line. So I have the animals and the plants selected. If I now right mouse click on it, I can select here, highlight selected families in the analysis. And I want to use all remedies, and here they are. So in this overview, I have now all the plants and all the animals highlighted. So if I press Command backspace, I open the last viewed map. So if I want to highlight, for example, all the minerals, I can right mouse click and I say highlight this family in the analysis. Okay. I can do that also in another way, which you have learned already. In the left upper corner, I have here families, which has the list of all the family levels without any structure. I can type here, for example, animals, and I right mouse click and I say highlight this family in the analysis. And now I have only all the minerals. So here I click on the little triangle and I say the advanced search. So the search is also the function key F4 and the advanced search is F5. Now here's a section of families. But this is a tricky one because this does not search on the name of a family, but it searches on all remedies belonging to a family. So if I type here, for example, Solana, and I select here Chroncris Solanaceae, if I then do a search, so let me do a search only in repertories. So it will take a while because it has to do a lot. So here I click here on science. Now I have here 22,000 rubrics, and it did not search on the name Solanaceae, but it searched on all the remedies which are in this group Solanaceae. So any of these found rubrics must have a Solanaceae in it. So here it has belladonna and I think tabacum also. Here there's 3. Okay, Docamara, I think. And let me see here, Docamara. And here Docamara, and let me see this number 108. So it has here, for example, stramonium in. So let me do another one. So for example, the where is it? The Cucurbitacea, this one, the Cucurbitacea. If I search here in all repertories, there is here science. Where is he? Here, science. You see it found all rubrics with at least one Cucurbitacea in it. So let me select, for example, this one. You see Colosynthus. Or let me select this one. You see Bryonia. Oh, sorry. You see here Bryonia. So let me go here to another rubric in the repertory. That's this one. I double click on it. And you see here it has, for example, Colosynthus in it. So If I want to see all other family members, you already know you can do several things. Or I double click on it. I click on the top families in front of the kingdoms and I see the Cucurbitaceae. These are all of them and these are the main ones. Or, let me close this, or in the list of families, I could type sorry, I mistype, Cucurbitaceae. I do here here I single click on it and it opens the kingdoms repertory on top of the synthesis and it goes to this rubric and it shows all the members of the Cucurbitaceae. I repeat, a double click anywhere on a remedy. So let me do here Lachesis. I double click on it. I use the top families and I can see the whole structure of the families. And here the no, let me go one level higher. The serpents, the snakes. These are all the snake remedies. So that was one way. You double click on a remedy. And let me do here families. If I type here snakes or serpents would also work. I can single click on it and it opens the family repertory and it shows you all the other remedies and in the sublevels of the serpents, of the snakes. If I right mouse click on it, I can say limit or highlight this family in the analysis. Now let's do a last thing. I want to know some more information, some keywords, some themes about these families. I go to search and I do the family finder. I select here the family. And I want to search here on a family. So I type snake and I can take serpents of snakes. So let me select and I say enter. And here to the right, let me click here on snakes. You see here all the keywords of this family. Now let's take another one. So here, for example, the Solana. The Solanaceae. I search and I have here all the themes and the keywords of the Solanaceae. And here to the right I have the tree. I have here the other family members and I have where it is located in the map of Anne van Varken. And if I click here on view the map, it opens her maps. For the more classical users, the section related remedies or complementary remedies is also quite interesting. So let's say I have here the analysis and I've given here a remedy, let's say natrium, and I want to know the related remedy, so I double click on it. Then I tap here on the list of, then I click on the top families and I open here related remedies. Then I can see the complementary remedies, the inimicals, antidote wells, similars, etc.